Hello guys, my name is JB Dan, and today I will show you how to create a timestamp, or in this case chapter, on YouTube. Here I will bring up an example for you. Here one of my video have timestamps on it, in this case chapter. So as you can see here, this is my newest video. It have timestamp on it. As you can see here, the intro. Yeah, I will show you how to create this timestamp. This is really useful because the viewer of your YouTube video will know exactly where to skip, because you put a timestamp here. Now let's start, shall we? Now as you can see here, open up your YouTube Studio. Now go to one of your videos. Okay, here edit one of your videos. Timestamp. Now this is important, guys. The way this chapter thing works is that you have to put 0.0. That's right. You have to start at 0.00 or else it won't work. Now pinpoint exactly where your intro will stop. Now in this case, my intro will stop at 0.19. You have to have spacing on it or else it won't work. Hello guys, my name is here. What I think was download 2.20. Run this as admin. As you can see here, 2.55. Run this as admin. One. And the final one, now after that you just click save, and now you can view it in action. There we go. This is the result. Now, yeah. Why I'm bringing this up? Simple. It's because it will help your viewer to better navigate your videos. So yeah, that is it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video video on your social media. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.